Hey guys, it's Derrick White from TopEnhancementReviews.com. I've made two very similar videos on my channel addressing the same question, but a lot of guys come to me asking how to use the Bathmate, so I'm going to give you a very short tutorial / routine. Okay, so first you sit in the bath or the shower and fill the Bathmate up with warm water. You then insert your penis and pump 1 or 2 times to whatever level of pressure is comfortable for you, but remember it has to be enough pressure for it to stay on. It should absolutely not hurt. If it hurts, it's too much, and lay off a bit. Then wear it for up to a maximum of 20 minutes. No more than that. That's key. If you're a beginner, I would recommend that you start at 5 minutes of pressure, and over the course of 2 weeks, slowly increase the amount of time that you are actually pumping from 5 minutes. That's next day 6, next day 7, etc. Slowly increase the amount of time until you've become accustomed and comfortable with the amount of pressure, until you can do it for a full 20 minutes. So make sure to check out the new Bathmate Hydromax X40 through the link below, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a private message on YouTube or leave a comment below the video and I'll get back to you ASAP. Alright, talk to you guys later.